Hey everyone, Chris over at AceVacuums here in Leesburg, Virginia. Today we're talking about the T3200. This is a very good vacuum for the price. It is a bagged, sealed system. It's lighter weight than most of your upright bag systems. It's really close in weight. I mean, the super light for cars that you see behind me, they're a little bit lighter. But for an upright vacuum with all the tools on board, very lightweight vacuum. It does have a rubber bumper guard on the front, the LED light, as well as a HEPA filter, a bag indicator fill line to let you know when the bag's full. It's super easy to replace the bags. You can buy either HEPA bags for these or paper bags, so you have an option of what two bags you want. On the side here, you have a height adjustment, so you can go from really low pile carpet like this or to thick shag carpet. This allows you to be able to do both thick and low pile carpet with that height adjustment. All your tools and attachments are directly on the back here. They're on board the machine, which is a nice feature, having all your tools and attachments on board. Dusting brush, crevice tool, upholstery tool. There is a carrying handle. This does have a hose and wand that is telescopic aluminum wand, which is a nice feature. This is a very good, solid vacuum. It's got a good warranty on a good motor, very good vacuum. So if you're looking for a good home vacuum and you want something bagged that traps, seals, and locks the dirt and allergens, T3200. Come check us out, guys. We have everything you need here at AceVacuums here in Leesburg or in Fairfax.